Taking exams is stressful, but you can make it easier by improving the way you study. Studying for your exams effectively and efficiently will keep you from feeling unprepared, and we at edubirdie will set you up for success. Check our 7 tips on how to study for finals. Give yourself enough time to study. Don't leave it until the last minute. While some students do seem to thrive on last-minute studying, it's widely accepted that this is not the best way to approach an exam. Organize your time for study so you could remember necessary information. Organize your study space. Make sure you have enough space to spread your textbooks and notes out. Try and get rid of all distractions, and make sure you feel as comfortable and able to focus as possible. Use flowcharts and diagrams. Visual aids can be really helpful when revising. At the start of a topic, challenge yourself to write down everything you already know about a topic, and then highlight where the gaps lie. Closer to the exam, condense your revision notes into one-page diagrams. Practice on old exams. One of the most effective ways to prepare for exams is to practice taking past versions. This helps you get used to the format of the questions. Organize study groups with friends. Get together with friends for a study session. You may have questions that they have the answers to and vice versa. As long as you make sure you stay focused on the topic for an agreed amount of time, this can be one of the most effective ways to challenge yourself. Take regular breaks. Everyone's different, so develop a study routine that works for you. If you study better in the morning, start early before taking a break at lunchtime. Snack on brain food. You may feel like you deserve a treat, or that you don't have time to cook, but what you eat can really have an impact on energy levels and focus, so keep away from junk food. Keep your body and brain well-fueled by choosing nutritious foods that have been proven to aid concentration and memory, such as fish, nuts, seeds, yogurt and blueberries. Finding the study tips that work best for you will save you time and energy and earn you the best results. To have more free time for studies, use our promo code YouTube10 on edubirdie.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like the video and share your thoughts in comments.